Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the controller and connecting it directly with a USB cable so the settings change reliably. Open the Xbox Accessories app on your console or Windows PC. This app exposes controller features that Bluetooth often hides. Make sure the controller firmware is current. If the app prompts for an update, install it now because lighting options can appear only after firmware updates. Once done, select the controller tile to access configuration and lighting options. Now choose the controller profile or the configure option. This opens the detailed settings. Locate the lighting, LED, or button illumination section. Some controllers show a brightness slider, others provide low/medium/high presets. Drag the slider or pick a preset to change intensity. You'll see the controller respond immediately. After you like the level, save the change to the profile so it persists. Make sure to test briefly on battery power if you expect the brightness to behave differently unplugged. Finish by saving the profile and disconnecting the USB cable to confirm the brightness persists on wireless power. If you don't see any lighting controls, update the Xbox Accessories app and the controller firmware, or try connecting to a PC where some options show differently. If brightness changes don't apply, restart the console and controller, repair them, and check batteries. Low power can force dim LEDs. If issues continue, repeat the firmware update or test a different USB cable to rule out connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.